Woohoo. What's up, girl?
Thanks for your body.
Just kidding. You guys, I'm really good at making fires.
How the hell do you record?
You have to go to video.
I am on
You
video.
have to hit the picture button, capture button. Hello.
Let me see.
What?
Right here.
Oh my god!
Let me see.
What? What's anybody do?
Don't drop the camera.
Oh, you're already recording. Oh, yeah? No, I'm not. Oh, yeah, I am. My bad. Omar?
Yeah?
You just at least say hi. Omar, I love you. Do you love me?
Of course I do.
Okay. What about you, Brittany? 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 Do you love me? Brittany! Do you love me?
I love you like a fat kid loves cake, and I love Omar like
And I said Rex loves her dad.
Gabby.
That is
I
bad.
told him that. I was like,
I know, I was reading that text message.
She loves cake. And I do love
Oh,
cake.
yeah. Sorry, I love you.
Dude, do that again.
Disgrace to my Indian
I'm
time.
sorry.
Me too.
I have Indian in me too, people.
I don't fucking care.
Mexican.
Girl,
Karina.
I mean,
I'm still recording.
I'm also not,
We know you're Mexican.
not Indian, but I'm also Aztec.
Do you think if I jumped in here I'd die?
Yes.
No.
You're Mexican.
You just get badly burned on your leg, probably.
Yes? Yes.
Yes, I did. As a joke.
She hates Karina.
Oh, thanks, Omar. You're gonna die today.
Girl.
I didn't tell them.
Oh my
Okay.
god. My eyes, my eyes, my eyes. My eyes. Go ahead, Bernie, take it downtown. I have a thing in my head. Superman. It's like a short.
Really? I do know that, but...
Omar, where did you get up there?
Because I don't know. This
Omar, he texted me you have to videotape.
Girl, no, let me
Are
read
you
it.
everyone? Oh, look
Yeah,
at that.
I'm like getting you guys. What do you say?
He said two already. Okay, just what about Phil and the other thing?
What other things?
Reply.
No.
Okay, I mean, right. Oh, okay, hold on. Girl,
No,
hold on.
now
hold
read
on.
the other one.
Okay, I know. I'm sorry, wrong way. Well, what do you think?
Ask him about what? Hold on, I'm confused right now.
Okay, about what?
Ask him what does he mean by other things, and ask him about what do I think.
Okay.
Ready?
I got me some baby.
Oh, the fire.
Oh my god.
I think about it.
I'm still recording, you guys.
I'm mad, they looking at my neck saying,
And it's the rubber band.
man.
Okay, what about the other things and what? And
And what does he think that I think? What
Okay,
does he mean? Ask what does he mean by what I think?
okay.
Supposed to be in my eyes. This is gonna be like.
That's gonna be really stupid.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. So that?
Okay. Sorry.
Send it?
Yes. Send it. Dude, he's like I don't even know what the hell he's saying at some of the times. But when I text him,
How tall is he? He's tall?
he's
That's
tall.
good, that's my requirement.
Okay.
Shit, you can have him now. I want her to know.
But you have to see him first because of the cuteness, okay? Cuteness matters before us, and what do I have to do for you?
Superman. Come on, Omar.
Jeez, I'll dance to this song. I don't know.
I danced this song, I'm just too busy videotaping. Dude, this video has been going on for like almost 5 minutes.
What?
He's a Peter
I
Pan.
don't know what Peter Pan is. Spider-Man. sorry. I like that one better than this one.
Crank that Pikachu.
I never heard of that one.
Okay, back to the fire.
Oh, girl.
Bum, bum,
No, because somebody recorded me and we didn't
bum,
think you could dance to this song. Oh, are we still recording?
Yes, we are. You just stop